Hello, everyone, and a good Monday evening to you if you are viewing this late Monday evening, or it could be Tuesday or throughout the course of the week. I just want to make this clear. This is going to be the last official video, instructional wise, that I'm going to post. And instead of doing a lecture and elaborating on any terms and definitions, I want to clarify some things to make sure that the class is on the same page and that you understand what you need to do in order to successfully complete this course. So the first thing that you're going to do is, as we are in week number 7, you have assignments to complete this week. You have the discussion boards right here, and it's going to be 2 discussion questions as it has been the prior week. And what I'm looking for is by Saturday, March the 16th, midnight, you're going to submit a travel predictions summary. So you're going to click on this link. And what I'm looking for is I want you to do a review. We call these peer review articles. Well, I don't think this one is necessarily peer reviewed. I did find it, but it is connected, okay, with our material and what we're actually covering this week. So, this is regarding the future of travel. So, you will do a reflection now that's centered around the 10 predictions of travel, okay, that's based in this article, okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to select 2 of the 10 predictions and write a 500 to 600 word summary. Okay, you can definitely use material. You can definitely do that from the previous weeks. All right, but I'm looking for your own words and reflection. And of course, I'm looking for APA format as well to be followed in this writing assignment. So this is going to be submitted Saturday night. Okay, this is week 7 that I'm covering. Now, moving on, okay, to the final half week, which is week 7.5. All right, what you're going to do is there's one discussion board question that you're going to answer. Now, I need everybody to follow this. This is going to be due, this assignment, on Monday night. So, what you're going to do is, and I already posted this within the course shell yesterday, I made an announcement. You're going to give an initial response to this discussion board. There is points connected to it, just like with all. And also, what you're going to do is you're going to complete the final exam. Now, the final exam, I just need to drag it over. I did create it. It will be available within this week content, within the week 7.5 content. The final exam will be available. As a matter of fact, while we're on this video right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it. And so I won't hear, well, Professor Black, we didn't see the final exam. The final exam is getting added right now. And so there you have it. The final exam is right there. This is going to be due Tuesday night, March the 19th. Everyone is to take the final. Again, there will be no late submissions accepted. Tuesday night at midnight will be the cutoff for taking the final exam. The same goes as well for your final assignment, your main assignment for the course. Now, keep in mind, class, when it comes to the weighting of the grade, your points, the majority of points, are going to be assigned towards the final assignment here, the signature assignment, as well as what you can earn for taking the final exam. So, with the final assignment here, you're going to create this project, and I'm quite sure everybody's been already taking a look at this. Keep in mind with this, okay? You cannot use every place in the world, so follow the instructions. Now, on the bottom of the assignment, for example, it's showing the places that you would not be able to use to complete this project. So the United Kingdom, France, Italy, Jamaica, Brazil, Mexico, Egypt, and Canada, you will not be able to use those areas in terms of tourism to complete this assignment. If you submit any of these, you will get a 0 for the project, so keep that in mind. Follow the instructions carefully. Okay, this is due Tuesday night as well at midnight. No late submissions again will be accepted, class. And then also, okay, going back here, the post-course survey, I want everyone to take the survey by Monday night. That would be next Monday night, March the 18th. So I already laid this out in an announcement yesterday in T2L in terms of what's expected. Now, I'm available throughout the course of the week. If you need to contact me, my office hours are still standing throughout the course of this week if you have any questions or concerns. Another thing, okay, that I want to reiterate while I'm on this video and while I'm actually recording this, late work will not be accepted from any of the prior weeks. So I'm talking about from week 1 to week 6. Do not try right now to submit assignments from those prior weeks. I will not accept them as of now. And as this video goes up, I will also make an announcement along with the link. No late assignments will be accepted from weeks 1 through 6. You are to focus on the current week, which is week number 7, and then, of course, the final half a week, which will be Monday, and then Tuesday, we're going to officially wrap everything up next Tuesday. Okay, everyone, if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. Okay, and everyone, it's been a joy being your professor this semester, and I wish you luck in the upcoming semester, which will be in the fall of 2024. I don't know if anyone's going to actually be taking courses through the summer session. Some of you all may be at the verge of completing your program. And if you're going to be graduating, I want to say congratulations to you for the successful completion. Okay, everyone, take care. Professor Javier Black out.